welcome back. We've got another BarkBox, and Sam's very excited about it. His last one went well. He did actually end up chewing up one of the things, but okay, sir, be polite. Crazy dog. Here, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, or don't sit down. Stand right in the way. Apparently, okay. Okay, let's see what we got, Sam. Sniffs from the abyss. Sam, why won't you let this happen? Okay, so we have sniffs from the abyss. Let's see what it's got involved here. Oh, hold up, sir. He is very impatient today. I don't know why. Okay. Explore the deep sea super chewer collection. Oh, it's deep sea stuff. Okay, cool. That's probably the best way to, you know, start off the summer. Let's see what we got. We've got a submarine. Oh, sorry. I just boxed you in the nose. You okay? You okay? He's got a submarine. This is pretty cool. It's like really squishy. And there's a tag on it that's kind of hard to get off. So it's basically like a little football shaped. Oh, it's not a submarine. It's a fish. It's got eyeballs and everything. So he's got this fish. His face is filled with excitement, but you can only see his nose because he don't know how to sit in a camera angle. What do you think? Okay, he's chewing on that, so he must like it. Now we have a treat lock hermit crab. Attachable treats, natural rubber, durable nylon. I like that the BarkBox toys are all natural all the time. I should have brought the scissors again, but I didn't. So, oh, okay, so cool. So you put treats in here. I haven't put any in yet. You put the treat in here, and you just lock it like so. And then I guess he has to work it out. I can see Sam getting very, very frustrated. As you can tell, he is not a patient man. Not a patient guy. At all. You want that? Okay. So he's going to take that. More of these things. Well, okay. So these kind of got stuck in the heat. That's okay. I'm sure once they cool down in the house, you'll be able to take them. Sam really loves these. We got these, actually, the same things. Are they called something cute and clever at least? Oh, they're treat lock treats. So I was just giving him the, these, because we got these last time, but I didn't get a treat lock thing. So I guess now that I have this in the treat lock, Sam, where's the treat lock? You don't know what I'm saying. He can actually, because I was just kind of giving them to him. And let me get this treat lock thing. Ha-ha! Ha-ha, Sam. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. Okay. So you lock it in like that. Then you twist it in. I guess. Alright, now you want it. There we go. So we got like the whole box of these. I'm a little bit Oh, so there's apparently a collection of these. Maybe I did get one last time. I don't think I did. But I don't think they would have sent me these things without sending them. I don't know. I don't know. So then we've got a deep clean dental chew. The names are not as clever as they usually are. That's a little bit disappointing, not gonna lie. I usually kind of giggle a lot over the names that they give this stuff. Oh, here's one. One fish, chew fish. See what I mean? They're usually really cutesy. And I am a lover of all things cutesy. So, here's that. And then the last one is pumpkin, bacon, and kelp. Tastes from the teeth. I don't see a dog really loving kelp. I mean, I'm personally not going to taste this. I don't see my dog loving kelp. But we'll see. Sam, you want to try it? You want to try it? Sit. Sit. You're a good boy. You want to taste it? Be polite. There you go. One thing I really love about my dog is that he's uber polite about taking treats, and he never takes treats without permission, except for when you're not home and you just come home and then your trash can is torn apart, and also everything on the counters is no longer on the counters, and you know, such is life. But he has a great time, and I try to give him a good life. Mwah. He's a sweet boy. Okay, Sam, say bye. Say bye. Bye, people.